It was phenomenal. The ladies are the real deal, and you actually walk away with not only the knowledge, but the steps in which to take action the first day when you walk out of here.
Learned an awful lot from the program. Initially, I just thought it was a traditional real estate sales type of thing, and then I realized there's so many other aspects to real estate, especially the wholesale. That's really something that's interests me.
I've learned so much more. There's so much value to this workshop than the price tag suggests. I've learned there's unlimited opportunities to make money in real estate outside of being a traditional investor. Just the workshop is phenomenal.
I enjoy how clear everything was and every single question was answered. And even when the subject was being taught, we had the opportunity to write sticky notes and put on our parking lot board. And then right after the section, you actually went back and answered all questions. That was amazing. Would I recommend this? Heck yes. Okay, for the price it's amazing. For the information you actually get, it's actually priceless. So I definitely recommend this. Come here and get your knowledge, and come here and make money.